đại bọc trong bao con sán này nè trong bao con sán cho trọc sầm bắt mà đạn ởประเทศ Australia ประจุนcon trai ởประเทศ Australia นะaiนึงก็ท่าคิดแต่ปีเรื่องประหยัดตอนครัวนี่นะโดยฉะนั้นยืงอันนัดดาวประเจียร์ขมายยืงอันนัดดาวประเทศเกียรติរបស់យើងโดยฉะนั้นให้ยืงมันอนุญาตเอาในอันโกเธอพลองเธอเพลียงบ้านจะดัดขาดอ๋อคุณว่าแนะนำ
មានអ្នកណាចេះថៃអត់អូកុំនិយាយថៃនិយាយដល់យើងធ្វើបាតកម្មប្រឆាំងថៃនេះយើងចេះអញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាយើងគ្រប់គ្រងភាសាទេចាអង់គ្លេសនៅអង់គ្លេសវាស្ដាប់អត់ទេអត់មាននិយាយរឿងថៃតែតែនិយាយអង់គ្លេសនិយាយស្ដាប់យើងនិយាយភាសាវាមានយើងគ្រប់គ្រងភាសាវា
អូខេហើយតាមជួយមើលគាត់
từng thôm hơn bay buồn với ba tạc co bằng răng này thì
mà đá mà thắng mình trời à cho thằng nào chúng ta đặt trong nít nên ba đây nè anh nói nó phải ba
nếu bán này tôi miệng đấy ai mua chưa
nó tròn sẵn màu
anh nghe tiếng một bán đi mới mình cứ thầy có những hẹp anh nhận được không thầy kiện mượn thầy ban tặng cái ao những tướng một nhiều hai tặng chơi nó nhưng mà cao dài
គ្នាអរគុណច្រើននឹងឯងសូមឲ្យសត្រូវបោះវាជាឆ្ងាយសូមឲ្យខ្លាយមកជាមិត្តចាជំរាបសួរបងប្អូននៅក្នុងបណ្ដាញសង្គមSK Media ចាថ្ងៃនេះនាងខ្ញុំរដ្ឋាលីបានមកឈរនៅខាងមុខទូតនៃប្រទេសថៃដើម្បីធ្វើការទាមទារឲ្យថៃគោរពនៅបទឈប់បាញ់ឲ្យបានត្រឹមត្រូវចាគុំគោរពតែមាត់ហើយទង្វើនៅតែធ្វើចាទង្វើនៅតែឈ្លានពានបូរណភាពទឹកដីរបស់ខ្មែររបស់កម្ពុជាហើយមាត់ចេះតែថាគោរពប៉ុន្តែពេលទង្វើនៅតែធ្វើចាសូមឲ្យ រដ្ឋាភិបាលថៃនេះពេលដែលបានលឺប្រជាពលរដ្ឋខ្មែរទាំងអស់មកក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះដែលទៀមទានេះសូមឲ្យគោរពផងចាសូមឲ្យគោរពចាអរគុណ
មកធ្វើដំណើរកាន់ទីនេះចឹងឥឡូវដើម្បីសូមឲ្យខាងទីឥឡូវយើងមកជុំគ្នាថតរូបអនុស្សាវរីយ៍អីហើយជុំគ្នាទៅនៅពេលដែលលោកអ៊ំមានជើញមកដល់យើងនាំគ្នាចាប់ផ្ដើមកម្មវិធីបាតកម្មយើងតែម្ដងឥឡូវក្រុមជើញបងដែលមកពីការខេត្តកំណើរដ្ឋផ្សេងៗហ្នឹងយើងជួបគ្នាក្នុងរួមគ្នាអត់ធំមួយបងប្អូនទាំងជំនាញទៅវិញគ្រប់ជើងតាមការគូតែយើងមកពីណាចឹងយើងថតជុំគ្នាថតតាមរួចថតអីឲ្យហើយដល់ពេលលោកអស់ថតជាមួយនឹងតិចទៀតយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមហើយកម្មវិធីបញ្ចប់យើងទៅខាងទូគ្នាហើយយើងរួមគ្នាធ្វើដំណើរបន្តការងារយើងនៅតែទៅទៀតបាទមកជួយជួយគ្នាសោកអត់ចូលនេះមុខអង្គុយបាទកន្លែងនេះដូចអាចឆ្កែក៏ជិតខ្លាំងដែរតែហើយខ្ញុំអង្គុយហើយអូខ្ញុំមានអាចារ្យអូខេអង្គុយដល់
អង្គុយទៅកាត់អង្គុយទៅញ៉ាច់ចង់
បងប្អូនជួយមកជុំគ្នាមួយជុំបាទជួយពីគុណប្រសាទថាការជុំអង្គុយជុំគ្នាទៅបាទសូមបងដែលនៅខាងអរិបផ្ទះនេះបាទសូមជួយចូលរួមរបស់ច្រើនដើម្បីជាកម្លាំងជាតិបាទកុំឲ្យជាមកខាងយើងនេះមិនទេមកកន្លែងទីយ៉ាងម៉េចហើយទៅធ្វើឲ្យភ័យបាទពីបាទកុំឲ្យធ្វើទៅធ្វើមកទៅស្ទិចណាឥឡូវយើងថតរូបហើយមិនទាន់ទៅណាយើងច្រៀងបទជនជាតិខ្មែរមួយបទហើយយើងនាំគ្នាជ័យភោគហើយចាំបន្តកម្មវិធីជាបន្តទៀតបាទឥឡូវថតទៅមកឲ្យអ្នកថតរាប់ផងហើយយកសុំកាមេរ៉ាសំខាន់មួយកាមេរ៉ាមែនមួយសិនខ្ញុំថាឡើយដំណាក់ទឹកព្រៀងប៉ុណ្ណេះដល់មុនអាក្របពេល22ក៏ខ្លាចផងសូមពេលបន្តិចទៅណាបាទសូមស្វាគមន៍
alo 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 something bạn something
Alo, bạn chân rụng chơi với kia ta phục mà tận nào thì ní trôi rùm chuyền bọt chun chít mai tận ọt nè, còn chân sông chuyền này lưới ọt nè mà. Chun chít mai ruộng lưới đầy mai, nhưng trời không tha chiến ai vàng rụng rừng. Thế chuông chiến dân bán công can, Ủa thờ ta dân trên thà điện xa, Cuông bay khẽ rúa nơi rõ tình là, Chú con linh thạc luôn cả bọc chiếc mai, Có môi bò tình kia ngốc bằng vai, Hỏi khmai nâng khmai bay xóm kỳ kìa, Thuây ba kỳ hiền trong này, Nắng căng trái hồi na chú công linh kể muôn khen ra rồng rừng thay kha tăng tì bó ram pro lần chiết lưới con vùng bàn dù pro tay điện sâu rung tia rung plan có sang chiết đôi cây khan tập chiến dân bán có đây rồng rừng tập chiến dân bán có đây rồng rừng tập chiến dân bán có đây rồng rừng không nói tiếp bạn ở lâu nâng sông khăn khmai króm còn sông sốt thoa chẳng ấy bạn sông bạn chân sông cũng chơi bạn hay tăng họcnia sông trôi rúm bởi che thoa khmai króm chui sốt thông bạn
chắc tôi sẽ đòi chân đáy liệtรอบกายย่อยเกียรติพูดวงแข็งแรงยังตรึงต่อสู้เดินดันชีวากาเปียเนื้อเขียนศาสนาอ้อยบานทัดเทสาปัววิริยะโบราณแดลเคลียตือหายยังกำกันตายเต้าปรงประหยัดรังสามรดกนี่กำอ้อยบัดกำอ้อยอันแดดรัวสัตว์ดูดอยผิวสังแครีนี้ยังตรึกกำปรึงปุ่งเปียหนึ่งมาหน่อยเศร้ามองถวยบัดใบยังจอบหนังจอมนองบาสันเจียจันยังปองก็กงหนึ่งบานสำรันแต่หนึ่งดอยจวนในเลียนกาลาสรองตึงเนตราได้ทลาได้เป็นยังย้ำหนึ่งนั่งเมียนเป็นนาพลังเบลเปรียสุริยาเรียบลิงแสนหนึ่งเพราะยังเคลียเตอเจโยลัทธิปิเชียทัพไตเจโยเจโยเจโยกำลังสามัคคีปิเชียพรตขมายเจโยเจโยเจโยขมายกราวขมายกันตาจีขมายแต่มวยเจโยเจโยเจโยบัดเหล่านี้ลูกอมบานเชิญมาดอลหายยืนก็หนึ่งจับดาวการบัทีในบองไฟกองมือที่แต่จีนักการการบัทีตอนเพิ่งเชิญเนาะแต่เหล่านี้ลูกอมบานเชิญมาดอลหายยังทรงปกครองการบัทีจุนก็อมดำใบเอาดักงอมันต้อหายยืนหนึ่งจับบานจับในการบัที
ទី2នេះយើងនឹងបន្តទៅកម្មវិធីទី3របស់យើងទៀតបាទសូមក្រុមជិះលោកអ៊ំ
បាទសូមអរគុណដល់បងប្អូនទាំងអស់ដែលបានអញ្ជើញមកចូលរួមនៅថ្ងៃនេះហើយខ្ញុំសូមជម្រាបបងប្អូនថាយើងទៅតែចេញពីកន្លែងដែលជួបជាមួយនឹងកុងសីខាងផ្នែកខាង housing យើងសូមទាមទារ5ខគឺទី1គឺសូមឲ្យរដ្ឋាភិបាលថៃមេត្តាដោះលែងទាហានខ្មែរយើងចំនួន18នាក់យើងឮសូរថាគេដោះលែងក៏ប៉ុន្តែយើងមិនទាន់ឃើញរូបភាពទេយើងសូមចង់ឃើញរូបភាពបាទដូច្នេះទី2យើងត្រូវយើងបានស្នើសុំធ្វើយ៉ាងម៉េចឲ្យរដ្ឋាភិបាលអូស្ត្រាលីមេត្តាយកជនភៀសខ្លួនខ្មែរដែលសពថ្ងៃរស់នៅក្នុងប្រទេសថៃឲ្យបានមកចូលរស់នៅក្នុងប្រទេសអូស្ត្រាលីទី3យើងសូមឲ្យប្រទេសអូស្ត្រាលីមេត្តាគិតគូរដល់ប្រទេសខ្មែរក៏ដូចជាធ្វើយ៉ាងម៉េចឲ្យដូចជាប្រទេសវៀតណាមនិងប្រទេសម៉ាឡេជាដើមហ្នឹងដែលគេអនុញ្ញាតគេហៅថា working holiday visa គឺថាយើងឲ្យខ្មែរយើងមានសិទ្ធិមកធ្វើការបាទមកលេងរួចហើយមកធ្វើការផងបាទហើយទី4គឺយើងសូមឲ្យរដ្ឋាភិបាលអូស្ត្រាលីមេត្តាផ្ដល់ជំនួយទៅដល់ជនភៀសខ្លួនខ្មែរយើងចំនួន30,000 នាក់30,000 នាក់ដែលចូលទៅក្នុងទឹកដីខ្មែរហ្នឹងហើយសូមមេត្តាផ្ដល់ជំនួយទៅដល់អ្នកទាំងនោះហើយទី5សូមឲ្យធ្វើយ៉ាងម៉េចទៅរឿងសន្និសីទទីក្រុងប៉ារីសថ្ងៃទី23 ខែតុលាឆ្នាំ1991ហ្នឹងសូមបង្កើតឡើងវិញដូច្នេះចំពោះថៃវិញខ្ញុំសូមបងប្អូនទាំងអស់មេត្តាស្វែងជ័យខុសជាមួយខ្ញុំខ្មែរ must unite against our enemy ខ្មែរ must unite against our enemy ខ្មែរ respect Paris Peace Accord 23rd October 1991 respect Paris Peace Accord 23rd October 1991
Respect Peace Accord 23rd October 1991
Release all political prisoner
Release all political prisoner
Yeah ខ្ញុំយើងដឹងទោះបីជាយើងដឹងថាគេនឹងThai must respect the ceasefire agreement
Thai must respect ceasefire agreement
Thai must respect the ceasefire agreement សំបែមុខ
បាទឥឡូវយើងបែរមុខទៅកាន់ទូតថៃយើងស្រែកឲ្យលឺឲ្យថៃបានឃើញ
Yeah Thai must respect Cambodia sovereignty
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 Some lie with some lie.
Thai must
Some lie with some lie with sorry. Some lie with some
Cambodia
some lie with some medium with some medium.
Release the 18 captured on Cambodian soil
Thai must release the 18 captured Cambodian soldiers. We strongly condemn the use of chemical weapon. សូមមេត្តាជួយឆ្លើយបង We
អូខេបាទ
Anh đi
we
tập ngày
strongly
nữa.
condemn the use of chemical weapon.
We strongly condemn use of chemical weapon
Yeah កុំឡើងបាទឡើងលើទាំងអស់
អូខេយ៉ាយ៉ា
បាទ
ឡូអានឡូ
កំពេញច្រើនទៅពេកទេកំពេញច្រើនទៅពេកបាទ
ឡូ
បាទ
Ready and then straight on to read the speech here. Yeah, when I'm ready, yes.
ឥឡូវខ្ញុំសូមប្រកល់នាទីនេះដល់ស្រីកងដើម្បីបញ្ជូនឲ្យគ្នាយើងមានប្រសាសន៍
So ចាខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណមែនទែនហើយក៏អរគុណលោកពូជាយហនផងដែរដែលគាត់បានទៅជួបតំណាងរាស្ត្រខាង housing យើងមានកិច្ចការងារច្រើនហើយសំខាន់បំផុតគឺយើងព្យាយាមអស់ពីសមត្ថភាពដើម្បីឲ្យគេជួយដល់ប្រជាពលរដ្ឋយើងឲ្យគេក៏ឯកភាពជាមួយយើងហើយនឹងគេប្រគ្រោះជាមួយតំណាងរាស្ត្រដទៃទៀតប៉ុន្តែដើម្បីកុំឲ្យខាតពេលវេលាបងប្អូនសំណូមពរបងប្អូន off the street please off the street if you want to do live you go you stay off the street all right please for safety reason thank you very much thank you okay I'm going to hand this over to Srayton who's going to read the speech here all right thank you so much Srayton
អូខេខ្ញុំសូមស្ងាត់មួយនាទីហេតុអ្វីព្រោះអីយើងចង់គោរពតាហ៊ានយើងដែលគាត់លះបង់ជីវិតចំពោះដែនដីជាតិប្រជាពលរដ្ឋគាត់ខ្ញុំសូមស្ងាត់មួយនាទីដើម្បីគោរពគាត់ព្រោះហេតុនេះហើយដែលយើងមកទីនេះដែរញ៉ាំ Yeah I would like to request 1 minute silence the reason being to respect our soldier heroes who has passed away in protecting his homeland and his people. Okay. Before I give a speech, okay? And also to be respectful to Her Majesty who has passed away. We also pay our respect to her as well. Yeah. No, okay, thank you. All right, I will read now. Yeah. I am here with my fellow
ចឹងសូមបងប្អូននេះនេះទៅថយក្រោយពីជំនាញបាទបាទឲ្យយកថយចំពីមុខចាប់បាទសូមបងប្អូនដែលមិនអាចសារព័ត៌មានអាចយករូបភាពបានបាទសូមថយពីជំនាញអរគ្នាបាទបាទមួយម៉ែត្រអីទៅទុកកន្លែងឲ្យអ្នកថតក៏ថតបាទឡើងលើឃើញថត
I'm here standing in front of you, Her Excellency Anachari Siranbenatan. We are here as Cambodian and Cambodian Australian who is deeply concerned and genuinely concerned by the current conflict between Thailand and Cambodia. In particular, in relation to the ongoing aggressions and intimidation tactic employed by the Thai government and military post-ceasefire agreement July 2025 in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. We understand that there is an agreement signed yesterday in Malaysia also. However, I'm here with my fellow Cambodian Australian to request Her Excellency and the Royal Thai government to release 18 Cambodian soldiers captured by the Thai military immediately. There should be no reason to hold or delay. This agreement has been signed. The agreement must be honored and must be actioned immediately. And stop immediately the following: the aggressions and the invasion of our homeland, temple such as Previhir and Tamuan Thom. To name a few, these temples belong to Cambodian as caretaker, and Previhir is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. They belong to all of us, including Thailand. Should be protect, preserve them for all future generations to enjoy. The attack on these temples are unjust and unacceptable. We strongly object this unwanted action by Thailand. The continuing intimidation, the inhumane tactic used against our vulnerable Cambodian civilians and villagers along the border, such as releasing toxic gas and human waste onto vulnerable Cambodian civilians and villagers alike, and playing excessively loud music and playing haunting music to psychologically intimidate and create fear, targeting vulnerable Cambodian civilians and villagers, including young children, babies, are inhumane, violate human rights, human dignity, and international law, which Thailand should uphold and is required to be upheld. They must be stopped, these unwanted action and aggression. The actions committed above against vulnerable civilian Cambodian not only violate the spirit of regional cooperation, harmony, but also undermine the principle enshrined in the Paris Peace Agreement 1991, which the Thai people and the Thai government is a co-signatory of. Therefore, we request that you honor that agreement as a signatory to those enshrined principles. Thailand leadership government must honor and uphold the Paris Peace Agreement. And as a regional leader, founding member of ASEAN, Thailand also bears a responsibility to uphold these principles legally, but also morally to act in a manner that prioritize civilian protection, preserve peace, and strengthen regional stability and cooperation. The recent action The recent action against Cambodian and vulnerable civilians have eroded trust and risk long-term damage to bilateral relations, ASEAN unity, and international confidence in the region diplomatic process. We once again respectively urge Your Excellency and the Royal Thai government to take immediate action to stop and de-escalate tension, cease all operations that threaten civilian safety, and recommit to diplomatic dialogue and take corrective action to restore peace, stability, and dignity to our two nations. A sustainable peace must be built on mutual respect, transparency, and adherence to international commitments such as Paris Peace Agreement, human rights, UNESCO World Heritage Protection. I thank you and our fellow Cambodian Australian here today, Your Excellency, for your time, and we have faith that you will share our deepest concern and our views with the Thai people and the rural Thai government in promoting peace, stability, and protecting the dignity and the lives of all affected. Thank you. Must release 18 captured Cambodian immediately. Release, release, release. Release now. Okay, stop. Stop all military aggressions against Cambodian. Stop aggression. Stop aggression. Stop aggression. Release our 18 soldiers now. Release. Just release. Okay. Thai must respect Cambodia's sovereignty. Respect Cambodia's sovereignty. Release 18 soldiers. Okay.
Okay, Akon Saiton, thank you so much. Give her a round of applause, everybody. Akon Tran. Akon Tran,ខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យបងដែកជប់កុំមកជប់
Hello, all brother and sister, and all beloved protesters who are standing here in order to uphold the democracy and peaceful for Cambodia. We are all here, Cambodians from all across in here in Australia and other part of the world, which the Thai government to release 18 captured soldiers from Thailand and also remove the wire from Cambodia. We all want Cambodian kids to go back to school, and the land that you grab from Cambodia and remove all the people sending away from home, you have to give them back their property. They are not guilty, they are innocent. They are the victim of Thailand who commit the war, and they are suffer from what you are doing. We do not expect you to continue doing this. As you already mentioned in the meeting with Cambodian Prime Minister and under the supervision of the U.S. President, that you have want both countries to have peace, but look at what you have done so far. And from now on, we will see what you are doing and try to oversee what you have done before. So thank you. Please stop war for Cambodia.
คนยืนเสียมนี่
ฉันขอพูดเป็นภาษาไทยนิดหน่อยนะคะ วันนี้ประชาชนกัมพูชาประชาชนออสเตรเลียนมาที่นี่มาขอเสนอคนไทยคนที่ทำงานอยู่ที่สถานทูตไทยอยู่ที่นี่ขอฟังให้ดีนะคะ เข้าอยู่ที่กัมพูชาคนที่อยู่กัมพูชาอยู่ที่ชายแดนเขาเป็นคนแค่คนธรรมดาเท่านั้นแล้วตอนนี้ขอให้คนไทยหยุดทำลายเขาเถอะแล้ววันนี้มาขอแสดงความไม่พอใจกับที่ประเทศไทยที่ทำลายกัมพูชาค่ะแล้วก็ทำลายคนกัมพูชาอยู่ในชายแดนขอหยุดเดียวนี้เลยเพราะว่าเราเป็นพี่น้องกันนะคะอยู่บ้านเคียงกันทำอะไรก็ต้องคิดดูหน่อยนะขอให้ทหารไทยอยู่ที่ชายแดนเนี่ยทำหัวขอให้มีความสนทนากัน talk discussion before you put the fire along the border because everybody who are neighborhood if you want to make a gate you should discuss you can't just take a wire and state your territory without discussion แล้วตอนนี้หยุดทำแบบนี้เลยนะคะเราไม่พอใจจริงๆคนกัมพูชาแค่คนธรรมดาหยุดทำลายตอนนี้แล้วก็ปล่อยทหารทั้ง18 คนที่ขับเชิญไปนั้นปล่อยเดียวนี่ไม่มีเหตุผลใดที่ต้องเก็บเขาอยู่ที่นู่นเลยใช่หรือเปล่าคะจิปัดได้บองปอนปัดได้จ้ากดคนแต่จีไปจีจนธรรมดาได้รวมเดินตามจีได้ให้การนายยังจ้องเธอหรือบองเอาไว้มวยคือยังเติมแต่ปิดเพียงซาขณีจ้ามันอาจเมาเธอหรือบองมันได้อ่านบานเต้จ้าอยากทำรั้วต้องพูดกันนะคะไม่ต้องทำคนเดียวเพราะว่าเนี่ยชายแดนนั้นไม่ใช่ชายแดนของไทยคนเดียวนะจ้ายงส้มตะปันในเฮบิบุยงยอดบันเตรียมคลื่นจังสมอักคนเฉินบางคน
Thank you so much.
cease Next, I'd like Christina to share a few words, and then we're gonna deliver the envelope to.
Thank you. Respected representatives of the Royal Thai Embassy, dear brothers and sisters of Thailand and fellow Khmer people, we stand here today as Khmer people of all castes and generations, monks, elders, workers, students, and youth, united by one heart, one voice, and one truth. We want peace, justice, and respect between our two nations. We come not with hatred, but with compassion, not with anger, but with courage. Speak the truth. We come to remind that Thai government and the Royal Thai Army that true friendship is built on respect, and not on aggression or invasion. In recent days, whilst ceasefire agreement was already in place, several Khmer soldiers were captured by Thai forces. This was not only a violation of ceasefire, but also a violation of moral conduct between neighboring countries. Such actions hurt not only Cambodia, they damage Thailand's own honor and reputation in the eye of the international community. We Khmer people, both inside and outside Cambodia, are deeply disappointed to see this happen between two nations who share the same faith in the teaching of the Buddha. These sacred places and territories are part of Cambodia's ancient heritage, protected by international laws and by historical truth. The world already knows which lands belong to Cambodia. To try to seize them again only brings shame to your country's image and pain to your neighbors. Remember, greed for land never brings peace. Peace grows only from justice and compassion. We Khmer people have witnessed that our Cambodian governments and soldiers have shown great patience and restraint. They have tried again and again to negotiate peacefully and to avoid further violence. They have chosen the path of dialogue instead of war, a path that reflects the true spirit of the Buddhism and Southeast Asian Brotherhood. Therefore, we call on the Thai leaders to follow that same path of wisdom, to choose peace over pride and compassion over
Cambodian want peace. Cambodian want peace. Cambodian want peace. Cambodian want peace. Stop all military aggression against Cambodia.
Stop aggression
on Cambodia.
Stop all military aggression against Cambodia.
Stop all military aggression against Cambodia.
Cambodia want peace.
Cambodia want peace.
Cambodia want peace.
Cambodia want peace.
We respectfully and firmly ask all Khmer soldiers captured after ceasefire to be released immediately. The Thai army withdraw from dispute areas and respect the existing border agreements. Both governments resolve remaining issues through diplomatic talks in the spirit of Asian unity. Thailand sees all territorial ambitions that contradict historical truth and international law. These are not demands of hostility, but respect for justice, peace, and mutual respect. We Khmer people of all caste and generation raises our voice today for truth and peace and dignity. We do not seek conflict, we seek justice. We do not wish to harm Thailand, we wish to stand tall in righteousness, not in conquest. Let both nations be remembered not for war but for wisdom. Let both governments act as good neighbors, not as rivals.